If you drive a truck for a living, your toolbox isn't optional. It's the difference between leaving the job site with your tools and leaving without them. This video covers the 7 best truck toolboxes in 2026, from budget aluminum chests to contractor-grade crossovers. All links are in the description. Stick around till the end. The #1 pick is built to outlive the truck under it. Starting at number 7, the VEVOR 39-inch aluminum toolbox, the best ultra-budget chest for tradesmen who need lockable storage in the truck bed today. Loose tools roll around the bed, get rained on, and walk off in any open lot. The VEVOR ends it, a lockable aluminum chest you can drop in tomorrow. First, diamond plate aluminum with double-sided powder coat. Holds up through wet winters without rusting through. Next, a gas strut lid that opens 110 degrees. Full access while loading both hands. Finally, a stainless steel lock with 2 keys. Real theft protection on a budget box. The catch: no internal tray, no built-in mounts. You'll need tie-downs. Best for tradesmen building a first truck setup. Not for crews wanting full bed rail crossover coverage. At $109.90, it's the cheapest way to lock up tonight. Tight budget? Start here. At number 6, the YITAMOTOR 39 inches, the best budget chest for tradesmen who need to find what they brought. Most cheap chests are a single open cavity. Drill bits and fasteners sink to the bottom. You dive with a flashlight on every job. The YITAMOTOR fixes that. First, an internal sliding shelf. Small parts on top, larger tools below. 2 organized layers. Next, diamond plate aluminum with a non-slip surface, corrosion-resistant for daily outdoor use. Finally, stainless steel handles on both sides, plus a sturdy lock with keys. Cons: smaller 39-inch capacity limits long power tools. Powder coat scratches if dragged on a tailgate. Best for trim, electrical, plumbing crews. Not for framers hauling only large hand tools. At $119.99, the YITAMOTOR brings real organization to a budget chest. Want to find what you brought? This is the box. Number 5. The FORWODE 36-inch aluminum underbody, the best compact underbody for tradesmen on smaller trucks or trailers. Most underbody boxes are 48 inches. They don't fit utility trailers, mid-size service bodies, or tight frame clearance. You buy the wrong size or step up to steal. The FORWODE fits where the rest don't. First, a 36-inch compact footprint that mounts under utility trailers and tight frame rails where 48-inch boxes won't bolt up. Next, fully welded seams, a precision rubber seal, and diamond plate aluminum. Full waterproof spec without steel. Finally, a foldable T-handle latch with lock and powder coat finish. Same security as contractor-grade boxes. Cons: smaller capacity than a 48-inch. Aluminum won't take a sledge like steel. Requires welded mounting brackets. Best for utility trailer owners, mid-size trucks, multi-vehicle rigs. Not for full-size owners maximizing capacity. At $169.99, FORWODE's 36-inch is the universal fit underbody. Working a smaller rig? This is it. Number 4. The FORWODE 48 inches, the best mid-budget chest for tradesmen who work the truck one-handed. Cheap toolbox lids slam shut on your wrist when you let go. There's nowhere to set the drill while you grab the next bit. Daily friction, every load. The FORWODE solves that. First, a premium integrated gas strut that opens with one hand and stays put. Dampened action means no slamming, no pinched fingers. Next, foldable side handles fold flush against the bed wall when you're not carrying it. Finally, diamond plate aluminum with full waterproof seals. survives weather and hose-down cleaning. Cons: a 48-inch footprint takes most of a mid-size bed width. Single open chamber inside, no dividers. Best for solo tradesmen, anyone loading with coffee in hand. Not for crews wanting internal compartments. At $179.99, the FORWODE delivers premium hardware on a budget body. Tired of slamming lids? This box ends that. At number 3, the VEVOR 48-inch underbody box. The best aluminum underbody storage for tradesmen running materials in the bed. Hauling lumber, drywall, or pipe fills your bed. There's no room for the toolbox you need. The VEVOR moves storage out of the bed entirely. First, a 48-inch underbody mount that bolts beneath the bed rail or trailer frame. Frees the bed while keeping tools on board. Next, diamond plate aluminum with a full rubber sealing strip. Waterproof through road spray and pressure washing. Finally, a flush T-handle latch with lock and 2 keys. No protruding handle to snag on legs. Cons: requires drilling or bracket welding to mount. Exposed to road grime. Needs winter salt cleaning. Best for service body trucks, utility trailer rigs. Not for trucks where the underbody can't be drilled. At $219.99, the VEVOR moves tools out of the way without losing them. Out of bed space? Mounted underneath. Quick reminder, if this is helping you decide, hit like and subscribe. Links are in the description. Now the top 2. At number 2, the Buyers Products Truck Toolbox. The best heavy-duty steel underbody for tradesmen who lose tools to job site theft. Aluminum dents under a sledge and pries open with a flat bar. On a rough site, that's an overnight problem. Tools gone by morning. The Buyers Toolbox is a different build. First, 14-gauge black steel with a corrosion-resistant powder coat. It doesn't crumple under impact and resists pry attacks. Next, a stainless steel compression latch and recessed drop door. Physically harder to attack with hand tools. Finally, a continuous hidden hinge, replaceable gasket, and aircraft-grade cables. Sealed against weather, gasket swaps when it wears. Cons: heavy at over 50 pounds empty. Steel rusts where the powder coat chips. Requires welded mounting brackets. Best for rough construction crews, overnight part contractors. Not for weight-conscious haulers. At $409.91, the Buyers Toolbox is the box thieves give up on. Already been broken into? This is the upgrade. Now, the number 1 pick. The premium crossover engineered to outlive the truck under it. Here it is. The number 1 best truck toolbox in 2026 is the UWS 69-inch heavy wall, the premium crossover for full-size trucks where the box has to outlive the truck. Most crossover lids flex, sag, then bind 2 years in. Latches misalign, gasket rolls out, the whole box rattles. The UWS is engineered around that failure. First, a patented RigidCore foam-filled lid. No flex when you press the middle, no sag over years of use. Next, a 0.058-inch one-piece welded aluminum tub. Heavy wall, no seams to leak, no spot welds to fatigue. Finally, stainless steel paddle handles, widespread for side access, and a low-profile lid that preserves rear visibility. A real-world detail when you reverse. Cons: pricier than thin-wall competitors. Full-size beds only. Low profile means less interior depth. Best for full-size truck owners on long ownership cycles. Not for mid-size trucks or buyers maximizing volume. At $689.99, the UWS is the box you stop worrying about. Want one that outlives the truck? This is your box. And there you have it, The 7 best truck toolboxes in 2026. Drop a comment below. Which one are you running and what do you haul most? All the links are down in the description. If this helped, hit that like button and subscribe. Thanks for watching.